Do you know what is Quick Access Toolbar? Quick Access Toolbar is the topmost bar in Revit interface which contains many quick access buttons. Here you can see that next to that Revit logo there are many buttons which you can use for which you can use to access quickly to some tools. As an example, if you click that open button, we can open Revit files quickly, and if we need to save a project, we can click the save button. Like that, there are print button and undo and redo button. This is for dimension annotations, and this is for 3D view, this is for text, this is for section view. Like that, there are few other buttons which we can use quickly and which we can save time in our Revit modeling by using these quick access toolbar buttons.